Your website has 50 milliseconds to make an impression. I want you to blink. That blink took roughly 150 milliseconds. According to Forbes, your website visitor has already formed a firm opinion about your business in 50 milliseconds, 1/3 of a blink, before they have read a single word, before they have even seen your logo. I'm Rob Lawson, the Digital Assassin, and today we need to talk about the two things that are silently killing your website: load speed and unclear messaging. Let's start from speed because the numbers are brutal. 53% of mobile visitors will completely abandon your website if it takes longer than 3 seconds to load. Not 5 seconds, 3. 40% of all users on desktop and mobile will bounce at the same threshold. You could be spending thousands on Google ads and nearly half those visitors are gone before they've seen a single word of your message. Not because your product is bad, simply because your website is too slow. Now let's say your site loads fast. You've cleared the first hurdle and now you have 5 seconds. Forbes data shows 61% of consumers will immediately go to a competitor if they cannot find what they are looking for within those 5 seconds on landing on your page. This is where most websites fail, not because they are slow, but because the message is about the wrong thing. Most homepages lead with the company, their history, their values, their passion for excellence. But the visitor arrived with something on their mind, either a problem they needed to solve, not enough leads, a security breach, rising costs, or an aspiration they are chasing. And that aspiration might be a business goal or something far more personal: a new pair of shoes, a teeth whitening kit, a jacket that turns heads. People buy outcomes and feelings, not products and services. Your homepage has 5 seconds to speak directly to that problem or desire. If your visitor cannot immediately see themselves in your message, they are already gone. The best homepages in the world don't describe the business, they describe the customer. So how do you fix this? First, build on a platform that is genuinely fast, not a bloated WordPress site held together with 20 plugins, a modern, lean SaaS platform that loads in under 2 seconds on any device. Second, write your messaging before you design. Nail the headline, the call to action first, so within 5 seconds, your ideal customer knows exactly why they are in the right place. Then build the design around these words. 50 milliseconds for the first impression, 3 seconds before half your visitors leave, 5 seconds to connect with the problem or desire that brought them there. These are not margins for error. These are the rules of the game. At Digital Assassin, speed and clear messaging are not features we add at the end. They are the foundation of everything we build. Head over to digitalassassin.co to see how we can help you cut through the competition.